Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best soundbar wall mounts that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Vizio soundbar mount, a versatile and budget-friendly option for mounting your soundbar securely. This mount offers wide compatibility, supporting soundbars with depths between 3.5 and 6.1 inches. Its extendable design and anti-skid pads ensure your soundbar remains stable and safe, even in high-vibration setups. With a weight capacity of up to 30 pounds, this mount can handle most soundbars on the market. The Vizio mount is made of durable materials and is easy to install on various wall types, including drywall, wood studs, and concrete. However, the build quality feels slightly less premium compared to others on this list, which is why it ranks lower. The included mini-level ruler and positioning tape make installation straightforward, which is great for first-time DIY installers. While it enhances audio performance by minimizing vibrations, the lack of more advanced features like depth fine-tuning might be a drawback for audiophiles. This mount is perfect for anyone looking for a simple, no-frills solution to keep their soundbar neatly mounted. It's a great option for budget-conscious buyers, but if you're looking for an ultra-sturdy mount or additional adjustability, you might want to explore higher-ranked options. Pros include its affordability, compatibility with most soundbars, and ease of installation. Cons include its slightly less refined build quality and fewer advanced features. At number 4, the Putorisen Universal Soundbar Wall Mount offers excellent value with its robust build quality and thoughtful design. It supports soundbars weighing up to 33 pounds and features an adjustable depth range of 3.5 to 6.1 inches, making it compatible with a wide variety of soundbars. The anti-slip EVA pads prevent scratches and reduce vibrations, ensuring your soundbar stays securely in place while delivering optimal audio performance. The design is sleek and unobtrusive, allowing the focus to remain on your soundbar rather than the brackets. Installation is a breeze, thanks to a comprehensive hardware kit and a detailed instruction manual. However, its biggest drawback is that it lacks more advanced features like shock resistance or a wider depth adjustment range, which could limit its versatility for certain setups. This mount is ideal for users who prioritize simplicity and a sturdy build but don't need advanced features. It's perfect for most home theater setups. Pros include its strong build, ease of installation, and excellent compatibility. Cons include the lack of advanced adjustability and slightly higher weight compared to competitors. Coming in at number 3 is the Vizio Soundbar Wall Mount Bracket, which offers an impressive combination of functionality and affordability. With a depth adjustment range of 3.6 to 6.4 inches, this mount is perfect for larger Dolby Atmos soundbars. It supports a weight capacity of up to 33 pounds, and its specialized structural design ensures stability and durability. The anti-slip EVA pads not only protect your soundbar from scratches, but also help reduce vibrations, improving overall sound quality. What sets this product apart is its ease of installation. The hardware kit and detailed instruction manual allow you to set it up in under 10 minutes. The build quality, while solid, is not as premium as some higher-end mounts, but it strikes a good balance between price and performance. The mount is rust-resistant and scratch-resistant, adding to its longevity. The Vizio mount is perfect for users looking for a reliable and affordable option that doesn't compromise on performance. It's well-suited for home theaters and gaming setups. Pros include its wide compatibility, quick installation, and sturdy design. Cons include a slightly bulkier look compared to other mounts and a smaller customer review history. Our runner-up is the Agendac Soundbar Wall Mount Bracket, which stands out for its premium build quality and exceptional weight capacity of 38 pounds. This mount is made from thickened, hardened steel, making it one of the most durable options on this list. It features an adjustable depth range of 3.7 to 6.4 inches, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of soundbars, including larger Dolby Atmos models. This mount also uses non-SWIP EVA pads to reduce vibrations and enhance audio quality. Installation is straightforward, with all necessary hardware and instructions included. Its robust design ensures that your soundbar remains secure, but the slightly higher price point might be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. What makes this mount shine is its ability to handle heavier soundbars while offering a clean, minimalist look. The Agendax is perfect for audiophiles and users with larger, heavier soundbars who want a sleek, high-quality mount. Pros include its outstanding build quality, high weight capacity, and adjustability. Cons include its higher price point and slightly heavier frame. And finally, at number 1, we have the Notiella Soundbar Mount Shelf, which offers the best combination of versatility, durability, and user-friendly design. This mount is compatible with a wide range of soundbars, supporting models up to 22 pounds and 3.5 inches in width. Its L-shaped design not only ensures a secure hold, but also ensures that your soundbar remains unobstructed for optimal audio performance. The anti-slip adhesive adds an extra layer of stability and prevents scratches. What sets the Notiella mount apart is its incredibly quick installation process. With all necessary hardware included, you can have this mount ready in under 8 minutes. It's compatible with various wall types, including concrete, brick, drywall, and wood studs, making it a versatile choice for any setup. The mount's space-saving design ensures a clean, organized look, whether you mount it above or below your TV. While its weight capacity is slightly lower compared to other mounts on this list, it more than makes up for it with its ease of use and compatibility. This mount is ideal for anyone looking for a reliable, easy-to-install solution that enhances their soundbar's audio performance. Pros include its wide compatibility, quick installation, and sleek design. Cons include a lower weight capacity compared to some competitors. Overall, the Notiella Soundbar Mount Shelf is a standout product that offers excellent value for its price. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.